Hey there, welcome to NutriShred, where we bring you the best natural remedies, weight loss tips, and healthy nutrition hacks. If you're looking for an easy and effective way to boost metabolism and burn fat, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're revealing 5 powerful morning drinks that can kickstart your day and help you shed extra pounds naturally. So grab your favorite mug or glass, and let's get started. Let's start with a classic detox drink, warm lemon water with honey. This simple yet powerful drink is packed with vitamin C, which helps detoxify your system, improve digestion, and boost metabolism. Honey provides a natural sweetness, while also acting as an antioxidant that supports fat burn. How to make it. Take a glass of warm water, squeeze in half a fresh lemon, add a teaspoon of raw honey, stir well, and drink on an empty stomach. This drink not only hydrates you, but also prepares your digestive system to burn fat more efficiently throughout the day. Next up, we have green tea, one of the most well-known metabolism boosters. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, which enhance fat burning and help in weight management. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea in the morning can help improve energy levels and increase fat oxidation, making it an ideal drink for anyone looking to shed belly fat naturally. Pro tip: add a few drops of lemon juice to green tea for enhanced benefits and better absorption of antioxidants. If you're serious about weight loss, then apple cider vinegar, ACV, is your best friend. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce fat accumulation, improve metabolism, and curb appetite. How to make it. Take a glass of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, stir well, and drink before breakfast. To make it tastier, you can add a dash of cinnamon or a teaspoon of honey. Drinking this in the morning helps balance blood sugar levels and keeps you full for longer, reducing unnecessary cravings. Turmeric and ginger are powerful anti-inflammatory agents that not only aid in digestion, but also help burn stubborn fat. Turmeric contains curcumin, which boosts metabolism, while ginger improves digestion and reduces bloating. How to make it. Boil 1 cup of water, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a few slices of fresh ginger. Let it steep for 5 minutes, then strain. Optional. Add a dash of black pepper for better absorption. This drink is great for people who want a natural fat-burning boost while keeping their digestive system healthy. Last but not least, black coffee is an incredible metabolism booster. The caffeine in coffee stimulates the nervous system, helping your body break down fat for energy. It also helps enhance physical performance if you work out in the morning. How to make it. Brew black coffee without sugar or milk. Drink it 30 minutes before a workout for maximum fat-burning benefits. However, make sure to limit your intake to 1 to 2 cups a day to avoid caffeine-related issues like jitteriness or disrupted sleep. So there you have it, 5 powerful morning drinks that can help you boost metabolism, burn fat, and stay energized throughout the day. Try incorporating 1 or more of these into your morning routine and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health and wellness tips.